In a rain-soaked neon city, Android 21 stands under a flickering sign and wonders what humanity really feels. Her eyes reflect the crowd as a soft drizzle beads on chrome, and she mutters that hunger cannot be cured. A street musician tunes his guitar, and Android 21 hesitates before offering a quiet, unexpected kindness to a tired passerby. The rain steadies, neon halos blur, and she chooses restraint over power as a pulse of warmth blooms inside. Final wide shot shows her walking away, a soft glow fading as real-world Z scrolls past in silent awe.